जंप कर रहे हो ना
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a travel vlog. As you can see, we are traveling. So we are traveling to Tlemcen. That is about 3 to 2 hours of a journey from Oran, where we actually stay. So stay tuned to see lots more coming in. So it's called the Waterfall of Ourit. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. We all went with our family friends, and it was really an amazing and beautiful place. You can go there by your own car or tourist bus, through which you can see all the attraction points of Tlemcen. It's just 7 kilometers away from Tlemcen, or you can just go. The waterfall itself is so calming to watch. The place is so basic with small waterfall, a nice look at the mountain. As usual in Algeria, we are blessed by an amazing nature. However, it needs some maintenance and regular cleaning. Apart from that, everything is just so beautiful, and I can just say it's a peaceful place to visit. It's a natural site, very nice view. There is a bridge below the waterfall built more than 100 years before, but it's not accessible. On the top, as you can see, there is a restaurant. You can sit and watch the waterfalls and enjoy your meal completely. At the same time, we met Algerian and Egyptian bloggers blogging, and they caught us on camera asking few questions about the places of Algeria. And my husband and his friend is already on his video. Go see them.
طبعا عندنا اصدقاؤنا من الهند يعني من كل بقاع العالم.
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
ايه يا عم الناس اللي جت معانا دي؟ ايه ده؟ انتوا جايين هنا تعملوا ايه؟ ما شاء الله. Very good people. Indians we love.
Say 1 2 3 viva Algeria.
1 2 3
Viva Algeria.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You can watch his full interview videos on his channel.